Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to run TypeScript program in Windows 11. So first here, opening the command prompt, and if I write there node minus v, so you can see version 24 that install. Now if I write there npm minus v, so npm 11 that install. So with the help of this npm that I'm going to install the TypeScript. So here we need to write this command npm, then install -g for global and write there TypeScript. npm install -g for global, then write there TypeScript. Press enter. So this here, some download process and install process that's done. So here you can see one package that added in 3 seconds. Or if I write there, or here tsc, for to check the version of TypeScript, you need to write there tsc --version. So you can see version 6 that install. Let's use the cs command. Now here going to create the one folder. So writing this place type script 1. Now there I'm going to move the directory. Move the location. So here let's use cd, then press enter. So if I write there dir, so here you can see there is nothing. Let's use. So then after here, so first click on this plus, and this is the hello world code of the TypeScript. Copy, paste there, Control S to save. All files here. Giving first, let's go on this text row. So moving on this TypeScript here, let's give hello.ts. For TypeScript, we need to give the extension ts. Now write there dir. You can see hello.ts. To run this TypeScript program, for this one, we need to use there. So first moving on this TypeScript. Here we need to use tsc, then give the file name hello dot for or TypeScript the extension. So file that's compiled and hello.js that's come there. So to run there, we need to write node hello.js. So hello world that's the display. Now this TypeScript going to do some changes. So this is the code to add to number of the TypeScript. Copy this one. And selecting this all, paste, Control S to save. No need to close this one. There after, again we need to compile. tsc hello.ts, this compile, and we need to use their node hello.ts. So what exactly happening? This is not displaying anything. Okay. So here. So this is and we need to print their sum. So here you can see console.log. Let's write there console.log. And here give for sum. Sum, close that. Now Control S to save. Then after let's recompile. And here hello node. Now you can see 15 that's display. So by following this steps, you can easily run TypeScript codes inside the Windows operating system. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.